We went fishing today. We didn't bring home fish. So it's like, what are we going to have for dinner? Guess what? We have leftover turkey. Yeah, we're going to make a turkey enchiladas today. And we have leftover beans, and we have leftover rice, all of which is going to go in the enchiladas. What else do we need? We need some black olives, some sour cream, some cream of chicken soup, some little chilies, cheese, and of course, tortillas. Whoops, tortillas. Now, when I say we're going to make enchiladas, they're not really going to be enchiladas. It's going to be more like an enchilada casserole because I am too lazy to roll up the enchiladas. All right, thanks for stopping by. Let's get to it. All right, get an 8x8 dish and spray it. Oh, if you've been with me before, you know I usually don't have everything I need. Spray it and set it aside. Get you a bowl. Open. Did you hear that? We're going to dump that. So this is really kind of like a dump. A dump and go, right? Dump that. Dump in the chili. Let's do the sour cream. We need 2 cups. How many ounces is in here? 1 pound, 16 ounces. 2 cups? That's the whole thing. That makes measuring easy. Yeah. So if you want the recipe to this, put it in the comments, and then I'll take time to put it together. All right. I have leftover rice. I'm just going to dump some of it in there. I have leftover beans. Where'd my beans? They poured out all over my counter because I took the lid off. It'll be fine. It will be fine. We want some cheese. I'm not good at that. I'm just not good at measuring things. So we're going to mix this all up. That looks good. Put those off to the side. Chop the turkey. Get you a nice knife. Open up your can of olives. Drain can of olives. While they're draining, let's chop up some turkey. They're going to get out the food grinder. Yeah, those are good. I like a lot of olives. An enchilada dish. If you don't have one of these things are just handy dandy, right? All right, you're going to have to plug your ears. That is so much easier. Oh, here we go. Let's add that. All right, let's mix this all up. Might need more cheese, but I put cheese on the top, so I have to reserve a little bit of cheese for the top. Salt and pepper. Oh, that looks good and mixed. This is when it gets fun. You figure out that this is a casserole. Always have your scissors handy, your kitchen scissors handy. The recipe wants you to take and put a little dollop on here, roll it up. Yeah, no, look, that fits perfectly in an 8x8 pan. Now, I like the tortillas, so I just kind of cut out a little corner and lay in there. It'll be perfect. So we're just going to cut out a corner. We'll lay that in there. Lay these corners in. I like tortilla on every single bite. Then, this is what makes it a casserole. Glob this in here. And we're going to end up making 3 layers. Well, actually, it's 2 layers. It's a bottom, then a middle, and then a top. So half of your mixture we're going to put in here. Then the other half we'll put after we put another layer on. Did I tell you that this is really good? Another tortilla. Lay that down. Cut me some corners. I love kitchen scissors. There's 4 corners. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Lay those in there. All right. And then put the rest of the mixture in. All right, we're going to turn the oven on at But when it starts smelling good, yeah, that's when I'll take it out. Another layer, my final layer. Cut some more corners. I think this takes about 30 minutes to cook. And then cheese on top. This is called an easy peasy meal. We did easy peasy meatloaf before. This is easy peasy enchilada, like a casserole. I don't have time to roll up individual. I'm going to reserve a little bit more out because I may need to sprinkle more on after it cooks. In the oven for 30 minutes. I think it'll be done then, but we'll let you know. It's done. Get out a piece. Mm. 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 That's good.